equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the panel and lid seal on your Thermomix TM31. This process is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your appliance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement lid seal. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged and completely cool. Begin by removing the base unit from the main body. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from the clips. Now, you can see the internal components. It's a good idea to clean the inside of the unit with a soft cloth to remove any dust or residue. This will help ensure a proper seal when you replace the lid seal. Next, locate the panel that houses the control buttons. Carefully unscrew the screws holding this panel in place. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. If you find this process a bit daunting, don't forget that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the panel removed, you can now access the lid seal. Gently pull the old seal out. It may require a bit of force, but be careful not to damage the surrounding area. Once the old seal is removed, take your new lid seal and press it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Start by replacing the panel and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. After the panel is secured, reattach the base unit by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently. Finally, replace the screws at the base to secure everything in place. Once you've reassembled your Thermomix, plug it back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. In summary, changing the panel and lid seal on your Thermomix TM31 is a straightforward process that can enhance the performance of your appliance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer professional assistance, remember that we offer no calls, no travel services to make it easier for you. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.